While taking a walk, I picked up an old plastic paint bucket that someone had thrown away. When I saw it, I immediately thought about reusing it to make a unique fish tank at a very low cost. First, I cut off the unnecessary parts of the bucket. Then I cut an opening, which will later become the front side of the fish tank. Next, I soaked fabric in pre-mixed cement and wrapped it around the bucket. This makes the later cement work easier. Now I use steel bars to strengthen the tank and also create a frame for the tree canopy. Then I add more cement and sand to shape it, making it look like a real rough, natural tree stump. Next, I wrap fabric around the steel frames and apply more cement to form strong and good-looking tree branches. While waiting for the tank to dry, I make a homemade water jar. I use foam as the core, then coat it with cement and make holes in advance for installing water pipes later. After the tank is dry, I use acrylic to make the front panel of the fish tank. Then I paint the jar and all parts of the tank, choosing balanced colors to make it look harmonious and more attractive. Next, I place the jar onto the tree branch where the water line is already prepared. Then I add some more branches to make the tree look more lively. After that, I install the water pump and fill the tank with water to soak. After 3 days, I clean the tank and add more decorations to make it look really nice. Now I release the fish. Let's enjoy the result together and watch the fish swim happily.